हेलो एवरीवन। एक बार फिर मैं आप लोगों के साथ में हूँ। मेरा नाम अतुल वर्मा है और मैं क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट हूँ बाय प्रोफेशन। आज का जो मेन टॉपिक है हमारा वो है कि निमहांस से रिलेटेड क्वेरीज को लेके बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स का ये सवाल था कि हम निमहांस से रिलेटेड कुछ ऐसा प्रोग्राम करें जिससे उनको पता चले कि निमहांस का जो एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन है उसके बारे में प्रिपरेशन कैसे करनी है। सो हमने एक ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम किया भी जिसमें कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने हमारे साथ ज्वाइन किया, बट सारे लोग नहीं कर पाए। सो बहुत सारी रिक्वेस्ट हमारे पास थी कि क्या आप उसका वीडियो अपलोड कर सकते हैं जो एक ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम आपने किया, लेकिन किसी टेक्निकल वजह से हम उसका वीडियो रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाए। लेकिन जो भी क्वेश्चंस स्टूडेंट्स ने उस वेबिनार में पूछे थे वो आंसर्स हैं, वो इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ साझा करूंगा। तो पहला क्वेश्चन यहां पे है सिद्धि गोगिया का, व्हाट इज द वेटेज ऑफ द पेपर, कि डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स हैं उसमें से क्या क्या और कितने वेटेज में आता है पेपर में। तो इसका सीधा सा आंसर है कि आपको सारी जनरल साइकोलॉजी स्टडी करनी है, और अगर आप चैप्टर्स को डिवाइड करेंगे, कोई भी जनरल साइकोलॉजी का बुक ले लें तो उसमें 1 से लेके 3 क्वेश्चन तक एक चैप्टर से आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं। तो इसमें आप ये ले सकते हैं ऑल जनरल साइकोलॉजी, रिसर्च, स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड आपका एबनॉर्मल साइकोलॉजी यू शुड स्टडी। सो वो सारा कुछ इसके अंदर आता है। अच्छा, अगला सवाल लेने से पहले मैं एक चीज और ऐड करना चाहता हूं। जब आप निमहांस के एग्जाम के लिए जा रहे हैं तो एक चीज हमेशा ध्यान रखें कि आपसे जो उम्मीद की जाती है वो ये उम्मीद की जाती है कि आप BA MA साइकोलॉजी का जितना भी सिलेबस है आपको पता होना चाहिए, क्योंकि वहां वो ये देखने नहीं आ रहे हैं आपको क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी कितना आता है। उनको ये चेक करना है कि BA MA साइकोलॉजी में आपने जो पढ़ा है उसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपकी कितनी है। तो ये हमेशा ध्यान में रखना है, ठीक है। तो अगला हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेते हैं। ये है हृदय सेन का, what are the branches that we need to study? So you have to study all the things, all general psychology like personality, memory, introduction to psychology, even Indian psychology also, and abnormal psychology and social psychology, developmental psychology. You should know each and everything when you are going for the Nimhans examination or in any एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ एमफिल क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी। क्वेश्चन है तनिका अरोरा का, इज देयर ए लॉट ऑफ फोकस ऑन बायोलॉजिकल साइकोलॉजी एंड न्यूरोसाइकोलॉजी? नो, नॉट एज सच, but definitely question will come from those section also. So as I said, at least like MA psychology standard का जो न्यूरोसाइकोलॉजी बायोसाइकोलॉजी है you should know, like different neuropsychological assessment batteries, what are different lobes, their works, all those things you should know. So that is expected from you. तो definitely वहां से आता है, but not in much detail. They will not expect you to read all the neuropsychology or biopsychology, right? Then next one is Shivani Dhruv. What is the ideal time to start preparation for MPhil entrance and when we should start? So Shivani, I just want to add in that this is very subjective question. It depends on how much you are clear about subject. Suppose you have studied well A and MA psychology, your concepts was very good, and then it may take less time. So it depends on you. It may take like 3 months for someone, and for someone it may take 1 year. So it definitely depends on your understanding of the subject. And next question is Diksha Chadha. I wanted to know, can I study from Cicerelli for general psychology? Very good question. The Cicerelli is a good book, but there are other books also. So take any one book like Morgan King, Cicerelli, Barron, Atkinson. So anyone you take and start with that. You can start with Cicerelli also, and then whatever is left in that book, you can refer that thing from other books also, because you will not get each and everything in one book. Sabita Goswami is asking how many seats are there in NIMHANS and how much is the cutoff score generally. Sabita, I'll suggest like you should refer for seats and all, you should refer for NIMHANS website and the prospectus, and cutoff point, it may vary, but what we can say is it may be above 75 or 78 and upper side around 80, 81 depending on the question papers. So be prepared for that. Easy the paper, higher the cutoff. Amrita Misra is asking, do we also have to focus on social child cognitive psychology for the entrance? Yes, you should go for, as I said, in general psychology, all these chapters are covered, so you should go for social psychology and cognitive psychology also. Manisha Rathore, I have completed from IGNOU, so there is a possibility that after clearing it, they prefer us. It is like Manisha, it is not about preference. If you will sit in the entrance examination, you are eligible for entrance examination, you can go for the you can go for the entrance examination. If you clear it, you will get the seats. But there is some controversy also. Few institutes like GMCH and there are other institutes also, they say they don't take students who have done MA psychology from distance mode. But here I want to mention is, because IGNOU is a central university and you have done your degree from there, that is equally eligible for any entrance examination which requires PG in psychology or PG. So definitely you can go for that. The next question is from Krati Sapra. Do we have individual industrial psychology part? Yes. Sometime we have seen that from organizational psychology and industrial psychology there are few questions. So if you have time, you should study a little bit about organizational and industrial psychology also. Next question again from Sabhyata. Sabhyata is asking, is self-study is sufficient to get us through the entrances, or is coaching required? Sabhyata, it is a very subjective question. It depends on your preparation. It is not necessary you should go for coaching. If you think you can like prepare on your own and you have clear concepts and you can follow your schedules properly which you have made for yourself. So Sabhyata, it is not necessary to join the coaching, but yes, the coaching has different benefits, like you get proper structure and you get proper material, and you have your batchmates who are preparing for the same. When you are seeing that they have cleared different examination like NIMHANS, IBAHAS and all, so you get motivated also. All those things will be in the coaching only. These are the points that will help you in the preparation. So again, it is your own call. You should go for coaching or you should not go for the coaching. And one more thing, in coaching you get more structure and time bound, so your time for preparation decreases when you prepare well with the coaching. The next question is from Akash. If somehow there is a clash between two individuals regarding the score and they both fall above the cut point, so will both the candidate get the seat? Akash, very good question. Many times many people ask this question. Similar number in an entrance examination, and if like you are at higher end like 80s and cutoff is 75 and you are at 75 only, and there are two people and there is one seat, then what will happen is कि 75 जिन दो लोगों के हैं उनमें से देखा जाएगा किसका एज ज्यादा है. So the person with higher age will get benefit for that, because it will be considered that they have less chance like in future. So the person who has higher age, they will get benefit out of that. Then next question is from Manisha Rathore. How can I get reference source related to assessment? It means psychological assessment. So Anastasia is best book. You can refer that. And other thing is there are other books also. So you should refer them also, because you will not get each and everything in one book. Remember this thing. And then next question is from again Tanika. Does paper also include concept of psychotherapy and counseling? Yes, Tanika, it includes. So you should study for psychotherapy and counseling concepts also, because that is included in your MA and BA psychology. Hridisa Singh, will we have to learn any South Indian language over there? Yes, if you will learn language, then it is a good idea. You will have enough number of patients in NIMHANS speaking Hindi and English. So if you are fluent with both the language, Hindi and English, then it is good for you, and you will get good exposure of patients there. Even if you don't know Hindi, you are from some other place and you know English, that will work. One of student asked कि MCQs हैं वो कहाँ से करें? तो MCQs आप कहीं से भी कर सकते हैं. डेफिनेटली जो नेट और JRF है उसके MCQs की तरह नहीं आते हैं. द पैटर्न इज डिफरेंट, बट द बेस्ट बुक that is recommended by students who have cleared NIMHANS is you can use the books of GRE MCQs, because they have also subject of psychology, so you can use those books. Then Misael is asking what happens in the counseling. Misael, in counseling they only check your certificates after the entrance examinations. If you have cleared, so there is nothing. If your certificates are right, you will get the admission. So there is nothing to worry about counseling. These were the few questions asked by the students. You have other questions, you can post here. We will try to answer those questions. Thank you. Keep preparing, become a clinical psychologist, and serve the society.